Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show you how I went from this to this. Oh, they just turned out so cute. Then to this style. I'm really loving the mini twist. It's getting so hot outside and your girl don't have any coins, so I had to do what I had to do. Two days before I did the mini twist, I washed my hair, and here's the video where I show you my whole hair wash routine. So if you want to take a look at that, go ahead and do so. But I'm gonna tell y'all this now. Your girl played, okay? I played. So the goal was to get up early. And when I say early, I told myself 6 a.m. Okay, wake up with the sun. That was the goal. Did I do that? No, I think I got up around 7 or 8 and I can't even remember what I did. I can't hold y'all, I can't lie. I don't remember what I did, but I didn't do my hair. I know that much. I know I got something to eat. I think I watched some videos and then I got started. But y'all, I got started on my hair close to 1. So it wasn't 12:30, it was like close to 1. And I was like, okay, it's either now or never. Because if I don't get started on these twists today, it just won't get done. So to achieve the look that I want, I'm using the Doux. And if you have type 4 kinky curly hair, I highly suggest when you want them juicy twists, them crisp braid outs, them defined braid outs, get the Doux, y'all. I love this product so much. So after washing my hair, I use the product Kinky Curly, and it is a great detangler and conditioner. And I put these braids in. I put the braids in to stretch the hair out. I do not have a blow dryer. I'm not against a blow dryer. I just don't have one at the moment. So I did what I know to do, and I put the braids in to keep the hair stretched. Also, I generally just air dry my hair anyway. I wanted the front to look nice and neat and just fall a certain way, so I really took time when parting my hair. I feel like it makes it easier when the hair is up, but also, y'all, I noticed, so as I'm doing my hair, I was like, OMG. To go throughout my head and just take out these braids is so like, it takes up a lot of time. I don't know how to cornrow, so I did what I know to do, but y'all, I learned quick, okay? So if you know how to cornrow, I do suggest taking your time and parting your hair in the front and the back if you want the back to be neat as well. But take your time, cornrow your hair out, and get your parts together. It will definitely save you a lot of time. Growing up, my sister used to always give us this style, y'all. So this style ain't nothing new to me. It's just, I did not like it growing up. My hair was not this long, and you know, shrinkage is real. So when I did get the twist, you know, I got the shrinkage and it just wasn't cute on me. As a little girl, I did not like it. I didn't like it. But now, yeah. And this isn't the first time I've done it on my hair, but this is the first time I've done it this small and I've done it this neat ever. I wanted to try a new technique. So again, I've been watching some videos and I saw how the girlies were braiding it initially and then parting it. And when parting it, y'all, don't share the hair, meaning that when you have the 3 parts left, you want to split one and then continue that all the way down. Because if you start to share hair when one side gets shorter, that's going to cause the tangling, that's going to cause the breakage, and the takedown process is not going to be fun whatsoever. But look, I don't know if y'all catch it, but when I did this one, I definitely borrowed some hair and I did exactly what I told y'all not to do. And after I did these 3, it looked cute, right? I was feeling it, but then I thought to myself, I said, okay, when I go back and take my hair down, that's going to be too much for me. That's going to be too much. I didn't like that my braiding wasn't as close to the scalp as I wanted it to be. And I was just like, forget it. I'm gonna go back to what I know. And that is starting off with a simple twist. But I tried to really get as close to the scalp as possible when twisting the hair. Y'all, I just couldn't do the braiding and twisting technique. For the girlies that do it and y'all hair just be so cute, shout out to y'all. But for me, I I just couldn't do it. So from here on out, your girl is just doing a 2-strand twist. And starting off, y'all, the twist was not as close to the scalp as I wanted it to be. But if y'all continue to watch, you'll see that the technique was just getting better and better with every twist. Oh my goodness, I was just so proud of myself. This style came out so cute. So after twisting most of the hair, leave a little bit of the bottom out. I would say just the tip of your finger, and then curl it with the most, y'all. And y'all have a nice, cute, you know, curly ends at the end of the twist. I also went back to the first row and I redid it because, yeah, we wasn't about to do that. We wasn't gonna leave that in. Okay, first side done. And y'all stay to the very end because I'm going to put it in 5 different styles, and I want you all to tell me which one you like the most. Y'all see these? I like how close they are to the scalp. Definitely getting better with twisting. All right, if y'all still here, I'm just showing y'all how I got better with my twisting, y'all. And I started feeling myself. Look at that. I really started feeling myself on this side of my head because the twists were just coming out so nice, so neat. And the closer you get to the scalp, I also think like the more they will last. And it's just a nice, clean look. Initially, I was just putting mousse on the parts individually, y'all. But as time was going on, I said, look, I gotta get done with this before 9. I have to finish before 9 o'clock. 9 p.m. to be exact. So y'all, I started just putting mousse on the full section, detangling it, and if I needed more, I would put more on as I go. But your girl was just trying to get this done. My feet, oh my gosh, my feet and my legs were hurting, and I kept telling myself to go sit down, but then I was like, this is a workout. We can stand for a little longer. We got a couple more hours in us. Okay, y'all, now I'm trying to decide, do I want the part to look, okay, I guess let me take this down so I can see it in its full effect. I'm loving this crinkly style. Okay. Dang, I may have to get some gel. I haven't used gel in so long. Let's see. Okay, do I want it this side to join this side and have it part like that, or continue how it is and have it stay like that? What y'all think? So y'all can see what part I end up going with, and y'all, I love how these twists were falling, especially having it parted like this. The way it fell down, it just gave a layered look. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how it looked if I would have had it go to the other side, which it could. I just been playing with the hair, y'all, and just styling it, and y'all gonna see to the end the different styles you can do with these mini twists. I'm just loving this style so much. Y'all, the front is complete and your girl is feeling herself. Oh, these are so cute. These are so cute. They turned out so nice. And now it's time to get started on the bike. Okay, I'm cracking up. Why did I think as soon as I put this behind me, I'll see the back of my hair? What the heck? How am I gonna do this? Well, the thing is, I guess I don't care what the back look like, for real. The back really don't matter. It really don't. It really don't matter. So the show must go on. The mirror gotta go, and we gotta finish this hair up, y'all. Again, I said we gotta get done with this before what? 9 p.m. So in the back of the hair, I was just free parting, and y'all gonna see. But yeah, this is how it would have looked if I would have parted the other way. Basic. I don't really care for it. So we're gonna switch it over. But yeah, y'all, in the back, I literally just parted with my fingers. I was just feeling what felt right. The goal was just to make sure that there was enough, just about the same hair in each layer. That was the goal. Now, the way it turned out cute. But again, we just free part in the back. And I'm showing y'all what we're working with back here. And yeah, we just keeping it going. So I had to make the switch over to the Camille Rose Latte leave-in conditioner. It smells so good, y'all. But the Doux was running out, so I had to make it do what it I had to make it do what it do, okay? And I was just going back and forth. So I would put the conditioner on and then put like a little fingertip of the mousse on it, just to kind of still give it that shine, give it that curl. And yeah, we kept it rolling. So I didn't mention this earlier, but to have that nice spiral look in your twist, you don't want to twist it too tight and not too loose when twisting. Well, I'll say just don't twist it tight. Hey, okay, get it. Y'all, I was so geeked. I had one more twist left, and OMG, I was just so happy to be done. But not just done, the bag came out much better than I thought it would, because I try to keep it at least the same size as the front. I didn't want to go too small in the back because, again, I didn't want it to last too long. I was tired, but it came out so cute, and the size of them was just right. What y'all think? All right, y'all, this is the final look. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Let me know how your girl did. Again, y'all, I've done many twists on my head before, but never this neat, never this like, I never did the parting in the front like I did, but I think from here on out, I'm going to take my time in doing so, because just look at that, y'all. Look at that. When you take your time, when you do the parting, it just looks so good. And I love that layered look in the front so much, especially like when you curl the ends, it just falls so cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not the perfect summer look. And you do it yourself, okay? No hair added. You're gonna have the coins for it anyway. All right, y'all, now to the fun part. I'm gonna style it in 5 different ways, and I want y'all to let me know down below which one is your fave, or if there's another style that you could think of, let your girl know. Okay, so I think I found a style. I'm gonna leave it in. Y'all, this is too cute. Like I said before, I always had this growing up, but I couldn't stand it. But now it's so convenient. It is so hot outside right now, and this is just too cute and simple. And I'm gonna end it here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all made it this far, go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and let me know down below what y'all think of the hair, what y'all think of the style, and I hope y'all love the video.